Hey Drop Tech family, Apple is gearing up to tackle one of the biggest issues in modern smartphones, overheating. And the solution? It's coming with the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple's planning to add something brand new, a vapor chamber cooling system. Yeah, sounds high-tech, right? Let's break it down. Now, talks about Apple using vapor chambers go way back to 2021. When top analyst Ming-Chi Kuo first mentioned that Apple was testing this for the iPhone 13. But back then, it never made it to the final version. Fast forward to last year, and Kuo dropped another hint. Apple was back at it again, this time aiming for the iPhone 17 Pro models. And now, in 2025, multiple sources are reporting the same thing. This time, it looks like Apple is serious. The reason? Their new A19 and A19 Pro chips are extremely powerful, and they need better cooling to perform without overheating. Even popular leaker Majin Buu has backed this up, revealing fresh info about this vapor chamber setup being tested for these upcoming models. To understand why this is a big deal, let's look at what Apple currently does. In the iPhone 16 series, they use graphene sheets to move heat away from the chips, and they've also swapped out the foil battery cover from the iPhone 15 with a metal layer in the iPhone 16 to help spread the heat more evenly. Apple also uses the phone's metal and glass body to naturally cool the device. But with phones getting more powerful, doing more tasks like gaming and AI processing, that's just not enough anymore. So here's where the vapor chamber comes in. It's a small sealed metal part that holds a tiny bit of liquid. When your phone gets hot, like while gaming or recording video, that liquid turns into vapor. That vapor moves through the chamber, cools down, turns back into liquid, and the cycle keeps repeating. This helps quickly spread the heat and cool the phone down, kind of like a mini air conditioner inside your phone, but completely silent. And the best part? It does all this without slowing down the chip's performance, so no throttling. That means your iPhone 17 Pro should stay cool, even during 4K video shoots or heavy gaming sessions. Majin Buu also mentioned that this feature is exclusive to the Pro and Pro Max versions because they have the more advanced chips and displays, which run hotter than the regular models. The standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air are expected to stick with the current cooling methods, like graphene and metal layers. If this new vapor chamber works as expected, iPhone 17 Pro users could notice a big difference in heat control, especially while gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. Your phone may stay cooler, feel more comfortable in your hands, and even have less battery swelling and a longer lifespan. Of course, while Majin Buu's track record isn't 100%, with so many reports lining up, this upgrade looks very likely. It may not be a flashy feature, but it's a game-changing update behind the scenes. So when the iPhone 17 Pro series drops, don't just get hyped about the cameras or displays, pay attention to what's inside. This vapor chamber could be the quiet hero keeping everything running smooth and cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drop Tech for more updates like this. Catch you in the next one.